At MyHousekeeper, we understand your home is your haven. Introducing our tailored cleaning solutions, Classic Clean, Consistent Clean, and for premium ease, our Consistent Clean subscription. Opt for Classic Clean for the weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly cleaning you're used to with other cleaning services. We give you the added ease for busy lifestyles and feature deep cleaning options whenever you need it. Or elevate your everyday life with Consistent Clean. Frequent visits keeping your home perpetually pristine, ideal for those who cherish order and excellence daily. And for the ultimate in convenience and care, our Consistent Clean subscription offers a fixed monthly schedule with premium benefits. Choose 20 or 30 hours of elite cleaning services per month and use them at your discretion. Classic simplicity, consistent elegance, unparalleled subscription convenience. MyHousekeeper is more than a choice. It's a statement. Elevate your home today with a cleaning service like no other. We're always here to help you choose the best option for you. So don't delay. Call 1-800-583-0560 or click the Book Now button below.